Day 6 on the 369 build, and it's to the windows and to the walls. We're just going to have an easy day of repositioning this wall framing up and adding some more at the bottom. So really boring. Now, in an ironic twist, while laying on the floor doing whatever it is I'm doing, I twisted my back. It's an ironic twist because last week, if you remember, I was saying all of the things I would do to get out of going to school. Well, now I have a legitimate reason not to do any more work on the 369, but I'm an adult, so I'm just going to lay here on the floor for the rest of the day and kind of roll around like a dropped potato and see what I can get done instead of going to the chiropractor like I should. Now I've moved on to working on this closet, or as they called it in school, the nurse's office. Tiny.
Hello. Bonjour.
Now, no one wanted to go to the nurse's office as a kid because if you went there, you didn't show back up in school for the rest of the day. It seemed like a black hole. No one knew what happened to you. But I had to go one time because I cut myself rather badly cleaning out the erasers. Another story. So I show up at the nurse's closet, and the nice nurse there proceeded to take my temperature, which seemed somewhat unrelated, but that's what she did. And then she put a bandage on my leg, told me to lay down, and she was going to turn out the lights and that I could get some sleep until my parents showed up to pick me up. Seemed like a good idea until I was awakened by a sharp pain in my head because I had rolled off the table into the copying machine. Who put that there? And then I looked up at the clock when my parents got there and realized that if I would have not went to the nurse's closet, I would have been home an hour before. So progress, I guess. I finished this little closet and what appears to be a karaoke stage. I don't think it's that. The good news is you could rent out this closet for a nurse's office.